Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you in-depth reviews of the latest and greatest tech products on the market. Today, we've got something special for all you gamers and PC enthusiasts out there. It's the ASUS ROG Maximus Z790 Hero EVA-02 Edition LGA 1700 motherboard. This motherboard is packed with features that will take your gaming and computing experience to the next level. So, stick around as we dive into the details and find out what makes this motherboard so incredible. Let's start with an overview of this beastly motherboard. The ASUS ROG Maximus Z790 Hero EVA-02 Edition is designed for the 13th and 12th Gen Intel Core processors, including Pentium Gold and Celeron CPUs. It's powered by the Intel Z790 chipset and boasts some impressive features that set it apart from the competition. One of the standout features of this motherboard is its robust power solution. With a 20+1 teamed power solution rated for 90 A per stage, dual Pro-Cool 2 power connectors, high-quality alloy chokes, and durable capacitors, this motherboard can handle multi-core processors effortlessly. To keep things cool, ASUS has integrated massive heatsinks with the I/O cover, connected by an L-shaped heat pipe, and high-conductivity thermal pads. This ensures that your system runs at optimal temperatures even during intense gaming sessions. Storage options are aplenty with this motherboard. It features a PCIe 5.0 M.2 slot on the bundled ROG Hyper M.2 card and 4 PCIe 4.0 M.2 slots, all equipped with substantial cooling solutions. You'll never run out of space for your games and applications. When it comes to connectivity, the ASUS ROG Maximus Z790 Hero EVA-02 Edition doesn't disappoint. It offers dual Thunderbolt 4 USB Type-C ports, a USB 20G Type-C front panel connector with Quick Charge 4+ support, 6 additional USB 10 gigabits per second ports, and 2 PCIe 5.0 x 16 safe slots. You'll have all the ports you need for your peripherals. Gamers rely on fast and stable internet connections, and this motherboard has you covered with onboard Intel Wi-Fi 6E and Intel 2.5 gigabits Ethernet with ASUS LANguard. Say goodbye to lag and disconnects during your online battles. ASUS exclusive AI features like AI overclocking, AI cooling 2, AI networking, and two-way AI noise cancellation make setup and performance optimization a breeze. It's like having a virtual tech guru by your side. Audiophiles will appreciate the ROG Supreme FX-ALC 4082 codec with SES9218 quad DAC for up to 32-bit 384 kHz playback. You'll experience crystal clear audio in your games and multimedia. And let's not forget the stunning design of this motherboard. It pays homage to the Evangelion anime series with its EVA-02 themed visuals, making it a true collector's item for fans. In conclusion, the ASUS ROG Maximus Z790 Hero EVA-02 Edition is a gaming motherboard that ticks all the boxes for performance, connectivity, and aesthetics. If you're building a gaming rig with the latest Intel processors, this motherboard should be at the top of your list. That's it for our review of the ASUS ROG Maximus Z790 Hero EVA-02 Edition motherboard. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to Product Critique for more in-depth tech reviews. And as always, leave your thoughts and questions in the comments section below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.